animals I have known. Ah, the Red Riding Hood caper. It's a natural. Dear grandson Woody, when you coming to see your poor old sick granny, I hunger for your company.
Hi.
Hello.
Where you going?
I'm going to Granny's house.
That's a coincidence. I'm going to Granny's house, too.
Goodbye. Huh? Granny's house, too?
Who's there?
It's me, your grandson, Woody Woodpecker.
Come in.
Greetings, Granny. Your troubles are over, 'cause I am here.
Oh, how true. How true.
Here's some flowers I brought you, Granny.
Achoo!
Hold these a minute. Gee, Granny, you look awful. I'll go get a doctor.
I hope it's not too late.
Here we are. One little injection, and soon you will be on your feet again.
Yow!
Hey,
Yeah?
Granny can see you now.
Granny.
No. You're making a horrible mistake. I ain't no granny. Stop now.
And, as the storybook says, they live happily